Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to just open the screen which you want to capture first, for example the settings list, and then hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, like this. And that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.